Alright guys, tonight, KAM Fam, we're prepping outside because the kids are inside. And it's been raining all day, so it's nice and cool out here. So I'm gonna enjoy the outside weather. So we got some mushrooms going, and tonight, the main entree is steak. It's what's for dinner. What kind of steaks are we having, dear?
T-bone steak.
T-bone steaks, guys. T-bones. Now,
It's whatever's on sale for the week.
it is whatever's on sale for the week. And our families always think it is crazy, the sales we get, guys. I don't know what the price of T-bones are by you, but this week they were on sale for is it $4.97 or $4.77?
I thought it was $4.99, but somewhere in there.
$4.99, so we're gonna say $4.99. So yes, $4.99 a pound. We got ourselves 3 big old steaks that are totaling 4 pounds. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to finish all these steaks, but we'll see if the girls are gonna eat or
It'll
not.
be steak for breakfast.
Right, so it might be steak and eggs. It's always a good leftover. Get some mushrooms cut up, get some onions, and we also are gonna throw on some hash browns, guys. So we're gonna get the griddle. The griddle's firing up right now, and then we are gonna start cooking. All right, guys, so we're gonna put some hash browns on. Hear that sizzle?
No butter or anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some butter. Sorry.
One big clump. Were these frozen or refrigerated?
These are frozen. I froze them. I don't know if they're supposed to be frozen again or not. The bottom of the sale, refrigerated. And here comes that perfect salt and pepper shaker. Come on, girl. Oh, thank you.
Wait, is that mashed potatoes?
Yep, mashed potatoes
Waiting that for dinner?
in shredded form.
AJ, come on, hurry up.
So cooking with the KAM Fam is a family adventure.
Cooking with KAM Fam. Cooking with KAM.
Come on.
Oh, you don't like my music?
It's gorgeous.
I know. Just like me.
You're our
Alright guys, so we're gonna let that soften while I finish working on some stuff on the steaks. Alright guys, we're gonna get these steaks seasoned up. Going back to that avocado oil. It tastes so avocado-y.
Don't lie.
Just kidding guys, no avocado. So hit it up with just a little bit. And we're gonna give that a little rub. Then we're going to drop on some seasoning, so some Greek seasoning. Get that all over the steak. Then we're going to hit it up with that Montreal steak seasoning. So this is a favorite for us. If you don't have it in your grocery store, go find it.
And that's your Kevlin, then spicy.
Yeah, so we're going to make one not so spicy, give it a little bit of tap in, and we enjoy to add a little bit of garlic, some fresh garlic in your steak. What?
Fresh garlic as in from a jar?
Yeah, fresh garlic, like crushed fresh garlic. It's about as fresh as we're gonna get in this household because we don't crush it ourselves. All right, guys, so that's the one side of the steak, so I'm gonna flip this thing over and hit up the other side real quick. So a little bit of oil. And then we're about to drop these steaks on. Once we check on those hash browns again. Got a little bit of wind I gotta work against here, so I'm trying not to blow seasoning all over the place. But how do you like your steak? Do you like it well done? Which if you do, you're crazy. Do you like it medium? Do you like it medium rare? Or for some of you, is this about as cooked as it needs to be? Because I know some people out there, they like their steak raw.
Okay, well, it still needs a few minutes on there regardless.
Yeah, so we can't be doing none of that raw stuff. All right, so those two are ready to go. We're gonna season up the last one. The last one, I guess I'm just gonna put this seasoning on for Kevlin.
Yeah, because she's going to eat that whole thing.
So yes, this will be Kevlin's steak. So check back in if she can finish the whole steak or not. So we're gonna drop that one in. But let's go back over to the griddle and let's see how those hash browns are cooking up. Ooh, might be a little bit too cooking. So we're gonna see. I like them crispy. We do have some crisp going. We still got a little bit of frozenness. As Taryn mentioned, I probably should have put these in the fridge to thaw out. But hey, live and you learn.
And if this is smell-o-vision, you should certainly be able to smell that. It's all coming at us.
So yes, smell-o-vision coming right at you. So we're gonna let those cook down. So I think the hash browns might finally be in a good spot. All right, so I think it's time for a child to show up, because that's what would normally happen.
Hello.
Hello.
I want to get out of it. It's bugging you.
Y'all haven't cooked the steaks yet?
No, guys, we're gonna cook them right now.
I thought that was cheese.
All right, guys, so the key is we're gonna get the side burner as hot as it'll go, and basically we're gonna sear the steaks. So we're gonna do them on for like 1 minute. You have a timer ready because I don't have my watch on. So we're gonna put them on. Let me grab that third one. Pick Kevlin's steak up a little more seasoning. We're gonna drop some of that seasoning in the hash brown. We're put down some onions. So this is the key. Is we are gonna cook these steaks.
It's time to flip.
It's time to flip.
Spend 1 minute. If you like them rare, yes.
Alright, so we got those going, guys. We're gonna drop some more onions. So we're making a bed of onions. So we got some onions. We are also gonna drop some mushrooms in there, guys. Some mushrooms and steak. So we're gonna put one steak up over here. One steak over here.
Spread those onions out.
And don't worry, I got a few more onions too. Alright, so look at that onion trying to get out of Kevlin's steak over there. So we're gonna set that down. And drop some mushrooms all over on these steaks. Just really lather it up. And then we'll heat up some butter. So we're going to put a little chunk of butter on each steak and let that melt down.
What about your hash browns?
And a little more on the hash browns. Good call. So yes. After the hash browns, and then I'm going to drop this. Some mushrooms and onions to put in the hash browns. So we're going to let those cook down a little bit. We're going to close the lid and we'll be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we are going to flip these hash browns over some. They're cooking up. I'm going to drop my mushrooms and onions in the mixture within them. So we're going to start blending all that flavor together. If you haven't noticed, we enjoy lots of flavor cooking with the KAM Fam. You see the steaks cooking. Give them another minute or two, and then we're going to flip those babies over.
What desired doneness are you looking for on the steaks tonight?
Well, I'm going to go with like a medium rare. Probably more of a medium. That's what what desiredness are you going for?
I would like the medium rare.
You probably need to flip them now if you want a medium rare. So we're going to flip these bad boys. I'm going to show you what happens when you flip the steak. And I'm going to drop another onion in that one because I do not want it to get burnt. Yes, guys, some people say you cannot cook steaks on a griddle. I promise you cook them with onions, it'll change your mind. You will enjoy the steak this way because they are really delicious. All right.
Well, what if you don't like onions?
Well, if you don't, I mean, the onions are just there for a barrier. Put a little bit of flavor in it, I think. I don't know. If you don't like onions, you're crazy. You don't have to eat them. You heard me. You're crazy. Alright, we are cooking and hash browns are getting done. Let's try to get them a little bit crispy. Got all the stuff in them, those steaks. See all that juiciness? Delicious. Alright, you want to do a cut quick and see where we're at? I'm going to cut this one.
This is Kevin's. There are some people that are cringing right now that you are cutting into a steak.
I know. That was not too bad. Then we're going to fold the two, and then we'll let Kevin cook for another minute or two. I can get rid of this butter, so to the hash browns it goes.
And this is why I don't eat this. But it's way too much butter.
So, steak number one. You got that one-handed or not?
Guess we'll find out.
I guess we will. Hopefully we don't drop it. Steak number two, and then I'm gonna take these mushrooms and onions and just drizzle those all over. So
I don't think you can drizzle solids.
it was drizzled.
Okay.
Heat up these hash browns. This steak.
Oh, hi.
Say it's not a cooking with the KAM Fam without Scout.
Right. Right.
Oh, I knew you were recording.
Look how pretty you are. But none for you.
Time for you to go in. Can you put in?
All right, so Scout has not yet mastered how to lay down while the rest of us eat. So she takes a little nappy nap. I don't think these are going to be as crispy as Mitch likes. This is why I can't record and do this.
All right, hash browns to the plate.
Assuming cheese will go on inside, or no cheese at all tonight.
Cheese, yes.
Oh, okay.
On the table, please. So yes, we'll put some cheese on them inside. Had to deal with the dog,
Type of deal.
so running a little bit behind on my scheduling. So those hash browns are a little blacker than most may like, but
I think that's the mushrooms that I blacked here.
they'll be delicious.
Kevin, what do you think?
It's good.
Is your steak yummy?
Yeah.
What else is on your plate?
Beans.
Some 3-bean mixture, hot dish, casserole, whatever you want to call it.
So yes, I'm gonna enjoy my steak, taking a first cut into it once I maneuver around everything else.
It does have a full plate going on right now.
So yes, take a look at that steak, nice and perfect.
But we're not on a cruise yet.
We're not on a cruise ship.
No, we are not.
Again.
I'm gonna take a bite once I get down to a manageable size. I don't wanna overkill it.
It's
Oops, go get a new one.
okay.
Pretty good. Not the greatest, but
What do you think? You just don't like because no one cut it up for you.
No, it's different than it usually tastes.
It's a different type of steak.
It tastes good, but it's kind of hard.
I kind of looked at the video, Mommy.
Because we didn't cut it up for you.
I did.
We didn't cut it up for you. We made you do it yourself. So now you're cutting it in big pieces, so it makes it a little more difficult to chew.
Cutting it in small pieces.
Alright guys, thank you for watching Cooking with the KAM Fam. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And stay tuned, because whether we're on a cruise or not, you never know what adventure the KAM Fam might be on next. See y'all later.